Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to show you a 1972 Chevrolet El Camino Super Sport. Now, this beautiful red car has been cosmetically restored. It never had to have a frame off restoration because the car came out of Colorado. The undercarriage is rock solid. I took pictures of the undercarriage and I will be posting them on my website. Underneath the hood, you will find a numbers matching 402 big block engine. This car is equipped with power steering, power brakes, as well as factory air conditioning. So it is a numbers matching engine. I just checked it. The VIN number is stamped on the block. The paint is very, very nice on this car. It's super straight and very nice. There's no signs of any bubbling or blistering on any of the body panels. And just look how nice the door gaps and the panel fitment is on this. A buddy of mine was just here and he's like, wow. He's like, look at the gaps on that hood and the fenders. He's like, the thing is just gorgeous. I said, I know it is. It's, the more I look at it, the better I like it. So, and what's not to like about it? Beautiful red, black stripes down the hood, cowl induction hood. It's got the correct wheels on it that have been already redone. New caps, lug nuts, rings, new Cooper Cobra tires. Interior, the seat's been redone, new carpeting, door panels, window cranks. Tilt steering wheel. Kind of a nice option to have. Tack and gauges work. Air blows ice cold. Radio works. I'll see if this works, huh? Hey, it works too. The air works nice. You can you could hear that when I first turned it on. The bell had a little bit of a squeal in it, so you can see that that's working. Shut it off. We'll get out and walk around, check the lights. There's the hazards. There's the bright headlight indicator. Headliner, sail panels, visors are all in great shape. Like all that's been replaced. Here's what I'm saying about the bottom of the car. I mean, the bottom of the car has got factory undercoating still on it, so that's how the whole thing looks. So I mean, it's way nice. There's the bottom of that door. The stainless trim around all the windows, the chrome looks very nice. The front bumper is Great shape, just like the rear. Looks like they were replaced as well. This morning, I just got it in here just the other day. I drove this car this morning. What a pleasure to drive. We'll take it for a spin here in just a minute. But yeah, you can see just how nice, clean, and straight it is. You just don't find them like this all the time. I'm gonna price it at $49.9. So I think that's super fair for a real super sport, numbers matching big block. Shut these lights off. The only gauge I see that's not working is the clock, so. Apologize for that bright sun right there, kind of hard to see. You see just how nice the paint is. Look over top of the hood, the red and the black. Just look beautiful. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Phone number here, 563-452-2450. Website is www.kinionauto.com. K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular cars all the time. So every single day. So give us a call if you want to get your hands on this beautiful 72 big block Super Sport El Camino. I don't think this will last too long. Gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. I'll get out here and do a little walk around with you on the outside quick. Then we'll head her back to town. Somebody's going to get a great deal on it. I'm serious. This is a beautiful car. And a true Super Sport, numbers matching big block engine under the hood. And just to find one that's this solid, I mean, if you found one this solid that needed everything done to it, you know, paint and interior, and heck, you'd probably spend $25,000 to $35,000 buying it and then restore it. So I might have to go back on my previous statement because it may only be may not be a posi traction rear end. I just played a black mark with it and only one wheel burnt. So 12 bolt rear end, but it may be non-posi. Just want to clarify that. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Thanks to all my YouTube subscribers, and if you have not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. I want to say this is a very, very nice ride. This car runs and drives very smooth. Glass is all crystal clear. Just one gorgeous El Camino. So give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon.